Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to view your KeyBank account and routing number online. Open the website, then click Sign On. Now, sign in with your user ID and password. Before you proceed, you need to verify your identity. You have two options: either to verify using a one-time passcode, or through answering a security question. Click on the option you wish to select. In this video, we chose to verify by answering a security question. Once you've answered the question, or entered a passcode, click on Submit. Once you're signed in, select the account from which you want to view your account and routing number. Since I only have the KeySmart checking account, I select that one. Then on this page, you will see several options at the upper right part. Click on the More option. Once you click on More, an option for Account Info and Settings will appear. Click on Account Info and Settings. Now, a section for account information will appear from where you could see your account number and routing number. That's how you view your KeyBank account and routing number online. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.